Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga and his wife Minnie Thabo turned heads at Zimbabwe's 46th Independence Day celebrations in Mapisa, with the Baloyi being held by attendees as the best dressed at the national event. The couple appeared in coordinated yellow outfits featuring prints of the Zimbabwe bird, a national symbol. Vice President Chiwenga wore a yellow blazer with the green, red and white detailing and a white fedora hat marked 46 for the 46th anniversary. Baloyi, popularly known as Minnie, wore a matching fitted yellow dress with the beaded detailing around the neckline, sleeves and waist. Photos of the couple circulated widely on social media, with many users praising Baloyi's style. This is not the first time she has drawn public attention for her fashion. While no official Best Dressed award exists, social media commentary after major national events often highlights standout outfits. Baloyi's yellow dress was among the most shared images from the day. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.